Chat, give me 1 second. Ayusin ko lang yung aking setup. Medyo late ako ngayon. Alright. Alright. 1 second, chat. Never look at the market yet. Let me just fix this. Di kasama yung 151 and then what else? Wala akong pre-market today. I was late to the party today, chat. I had to do something. Good evening, guys. Oh wow, we're ripping to the upside. We're ripping to the upside right now habang open ang market. Same bias going into today. I think we're gonna go trade to the upside. Same bias going into today, chat. We got an SMT, I believe, ES and NQ. Permissible din na mag-trade tayo dito sa 15 minutes FVG. Hindi pa pala nasi-share hanggang ngayon. Give it some time, chat, but yeah, I'm just gonna wait a bit and see what's gonna happen at market open. Good evening. Good morning here. Good evening sa Pilipinas. Where are you from, Bernie? Ayaw pa rin ma-share ng trading view ko. Give it some time, chat. There you go. Nice. I think we're gonna trade higher, but possible tayo mag-retrace here. But given the Friday tayo today, it's possible na we won't have that retracement anymore. But we'll see. Let's see. Market is gonna open soon. We close down here. Right. We got an SMT between ES and NQ right now. Possible mag-trade siya dito, but possible din na hindi na. I mas prefer kung hindi na siya mag-trade. Sa totoo lang. Mas prefer kung hindi na siya mag-trade dun sa ano. Possible nga, dito lang siya eh. Possible ito lang yung retracement before the move higher. Yeah. What a push. Nice push. Nice push from this for value gap. 50 points almost. I'm still bullish. Still bullish on this market. Still the same draw. The upside. Still the same draw on liquidity in my opinion. That was a trade right there. Maybe if I have a kung meron akong tawag dito, kung meron akong pre-market, maybe I would have done it. I was late to the party today. I was late to the party, chat. Karoon tayo ng SMT up here. Possible retracement here sa 50%, but ideally, hindi na mangyari yun, to be honest. Mas ideal na mag-push lang siya to the upside. Especially on a Friday. Hindi ko lang kung meron tayong news. Do you have a news event? Wala na tayong news event today. Long guys, you guys late. Hi Lods, news of futures. Nasa top right. Yung cash amount is yan ba yung balance sa funded account mo? Yeah, that's correct. The balance and yeah, you're right. It's the balance essentially. ES is just chopping around. So web browser. Nice closure. Giving it some time, chat. Wala akong pre-market, so I need to be more careful with how I engage the price today. 25843 long. 25843 long. Okay. Then yung stop loss, Bernie. Where's the stop? Laging 50k yung binibili ko. However, because of the 90% sale, nag 150k ako. Pero usually I would go for 50k. It's a lot easier to get payouts on those accounts. Where's the stop, guys? Kapag maglalagay kayo ng trade signal, at least give some kind of invalidations. So we can know. Mahirap kasi mag-long. Mahirap sundan yung mga trading suggestion nyo na walang stop loss. $790 stop. Yeah, nice. 790 stop. It's actually far. More on intraday play yung mga sinasuggest nyo. 790 is like here, so malayo siya. Not sure what your target is, but maybe actually decent trade if you think about it. It's below the swing low, right? So sa 1 hour FBG na to. I actually agree with your trade setup. Like if you're gonna long here, just maybe have a great risk to reward in terms of like where you plan to exit your trade. So 790 is the stop down here, so Yeah. I agree with the long idea. It's just that I wanted tight stop. Yung stop loss ko is usually like between 10 to 15 points, sometimes 20. But I rarely trade where it's more than 50 points. Madalang lang ako mag-trade na ganun yung setup. Na malalayo yung ano. We're still chopping around. So makita is maybe a sweep of this level, then push up, possibly trade back up. Pero possible din kasi mag-retrace siya dito sa 50% ng Asian session. So I'm not removing that possibility yet. Tama pala si Bernie kahapon, Lods. Yeah, he was right. I just hope he did not. I just hope he did not close the position. At some point, it was so close at his stop. Pero umabot siya ng 25700 ng tag dito, power hour. I wasn't trading during this time. Yung trade ko yesterday from stream, yun yung last trade ko. Nakita ko na lang din kaninang umaga pagkagising ko. Oh, tama si Bernie. Still chopping, just waiting right now. Just waiting for this market to, you know, have some decent PA. But I like the SMT down here. I like the SMT. I can see this possibly going higher. Especially this per value gap na 926 is being respected and no closure below. Medyo choppy lang yung delivery, but yeah, I like higher prices. Just not sure if magkakaroon pa siya ng deeper retracement. We got a lot of support, 8:30 open kill zone. We have midnight open. We got SMT inside 1 hour FVG. The only bearish like idea I can have here is mag-retrace tayo dito sa 15 minutes FVG, which is the 50% of the Asian session, right? Possible retracement dito, retracement, fill the gap sa 50%, 50% ng gap ng Asian session. So those are the ideas I have. Nag-trade ka kahapon? Yes, I did. Meron akong tinake na trade sa stream. It was based on 30 seconds idea. It's choppy market yesterday, but lower time frame, merong setup. Still dumping again. Okay, it's dumping. I wanna see what happened. Oh shit, naglag pa. Naglag pa yung trading view. Pretty annoying. There we go. Trash PA right now. It's consolidation, huh? It's ranging now. It's about to. Bernie, do you know Landon? Landon, do you know Bernie? Do you guys know each other? It seems like you guys have like the same idea. Always. Kahit kahapon, you guys were so bearish. Magkakilala ba kayo? Do you know each other? Nice, we just took a low. Now we see if we gonna pop here. Are we gonna pop in here or what? Even the YM right now is dumping. Still going lower. If we go lower, I think we go dito sa FVG na to. Ideally, we won't take the Asian low, and I'll be very bullish on this PA. That happens. I'll be bullish, chat. I'll be bullish. Mag-seek and destroy lang tayo, no? Just going to do like this. Microphone mode. Many people see this as support, right? Nakikita ko to as support ng mga trader, and I like to be buying when they're selling in here. So, nakikita nila tong level na to as a support, right? Once we break this key level, for them, it's gonna continue to the downside. To me, what I like to see is move lower, tapos bounce siya dito sa 15 minutes per value gap, and then we move higher. That's the ideal scenario for me. But yeah, we'll see. We can possibly not have that setup anymore kasi nga meron din tayong SMT down here on ES and NQ. So we could just rip higher after taking a short-term sell stop. That this is a minor sell side liquidity. I would say intermediate. Itong level na to, right? If they get taken out, mafe-feel itong 50% ng gap. We feel the 50% of Asian range. Then I'm ready to trade higher, essentially. Hindi ko nakikita itong PA na to as bearish in any way. Like, hindi ko nakikita yung argument for bearish PA on this. So, I could be wrong, but I'm not interested in taking any short setup as of right now. By the way, I just requested another 2K. That gets approved. That will make my month 4K so far with Apex. With Apex. 4K USD. Magkano 4K USD? How much is 4,000 USD? 200K, not bad. 200K pesos. What am I gonna do with all this money? Just shopping right now, chat. Gold is on slow bull. Slow bull? What happened? What happened with gold? Not interested trading the gold, chat, to be honest. Don't like it. Just, yeah, not worth it. Right now. What else? What else? What else? What else? I don't know. Alright, we're dumping now. I like to see it read below this level. We're just trading right now sa midnight open, so a lot of people are looking at this area as a support to me, and they would start selling here. Pwede silang mag-sell in the form of buy stop, and I want to be buying those stops. Essentially, that's what I like to see. So, ito yung sell side liquidity. Kasi in my opinion, we should, if we're gonna go higher earlier, it should just rip straight up from this for value gap. Pero it didn't do that. It didn't do anything like that. So I don't know. We got a possible change in the state up here. Possible order block after we tap into an hour FVG again. We did not. Actually, we did not tap into an hour FVG. Yeah, possible to. I can give this a shot if we like trade above here. I can take this as an OB. Pero hindi siya nagdi-display, so not good. If that displays earlier, tas may IFVG, I might consider it. I'm gonna buy this level down here. Sa live account ko. MNQ. Yep. Babae ako dito. Risking $300 on my live. Sa ano ko, sa Apex account ko, I'd like to see more confirmation. Mas prefer ko may confirmation sa Apex account ko. Rather than just buying the dip. Gusto ko makita ng flip. We got the Asian session low down here. We're trading again dito sa 1 hour FBG. Trading again on 1 hour key level. There we go. We're pushing. We're pushing. We're pushing lower. Meron akong position sa live account in here. Pero I'm not. Mas prefer ko meron siyang confirmation if I'm gonna trade it in my EA. Right now, it's still on a bearish order flow. Every 1 minute bearish FBGs are being respected. Last chance to buy? I don't know. I'm gonna buy here. I have my limit orders. I would say yung argument for bullishness is gonna be removed once we take out the Asian session low. In my opinion, we should not trade below the Asian session low or even trade all the way down here. I'm now filled on longs. Let's see if I'm gonna possibly win here or not. Or I'm gonna get wrecked. We'll see. We'll find it out very soon. It's still dumping. Wow, straight down. Straight down, but we love to see that. We love to see that volatility. That is when usually reversal happens inside volatility conditions. Key level plus volatility are the best combination. So I'm longs right now. Stop below this Asian session low. Let's see if this is gonna work out or not. If ever na ma-take out yung Asian session low, let's say we take out the Asian session, but we close above this level, I'm gonna be a buyer still. If that happens, I'm still going to be a buyer. If ganun na nangyari. It's not looking good. We're getting closer sa 10 o'clock mark. And the closer we are sa 10 o'clock, the less probability this is gonna go, especially if we're so close to my stop, because usually on 10 o'clock we'll give a whipsaw, like whipsaw price action. So ideally, if 10 o'clock is gonna print, we're at least trading above here, not down here. Okay, yep, I'm gonna get stopped for possibly 300 bucks on this trade. ES still printing lower, so I might get stopped out in here. I don't like the way now we traded all the way down here, because yeah, this should be a very sensitive area. Now we should start pushing higher. But yeah, I'm gonna get stopped in here in my opinion. So close, like 10 points away from getting stopped out. I'm 10 points away from getting stopped. Here we go. All right, I just took a loss of 300 bucks right there. Unfortunately, but it happens. It happens, chat. It happens. Down 15,000 pesos right now. 15K. It's official. I'm negative now on the live account. 319. That's crazy. Right. What's your criteria for entering? Bullish bias plus for value gap 15 minutes. 50% ng Asian range. Nag-anticipate ako na hindi iti-take out yung Asian low. Yun yung anticipation ko. So 50% ng Asian range was a fair value gap. Yun yung idea ko on that one. Kasi we already put an SMT on ES, so I thought, you know, if magre-retrace man tong Nasdaq, it's gonna just trade dito sa Asian session midpoint. It's not gonna trade all the way down, but what happened is it rips to the downside. I don't know. Maybe we trade all. Yeah, I don't know. Not too sure what's gonna happen right now. It's just selling off. YM is also selling off. Stop out, si Bernard. Yeah. I got stop out too, but I bought way lower. I bought way lower, but still wasn't able to, you know, make it happen. 1 minute bearish levels are being respected earlier. No sign of reversal, just continuing to the downside. 10 o'clock candle is 4-hour just went to the downside completely. We got a bearish, we got a bullish 4-hour key level as well dito sa baba. Possible draw to sa downside. Ako kasi personally di ako bearish today. I've been bullish since the beginning of the week and I've been wanting higher prices. I've been wanting to see price trade higher. Baka mag all the way yan sa previous Asian session low. Saan ba yung previous Asian session low? Oh, yeah, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. It's possible. So we have this previous Asian session low. Yeah. Almost ano din sila. Nangyayari was just big 4-hour consolidation, no? If you think about the 4-hour, we're just consolidating, not breaking either side. Tas pag umaabot siya sa extreme, it's gonna go dump very hard or pump very hard. YM is still going to the downside. YM, man. Possible dito kay YM. Thursday low. Baka mag-create ng new low of day atong YM. New low of day on YM. Huh? That would be crazy if we did that. Gonna create tayo ng new low of day on YM. New low of the week. What does this look like? Imagine aabot to hanggang dito. Wow. Gonna take a stab here. Magmamax risk ako ng $500 sa live. Just feel like structure-wise, YM has been good today. Top ko dito. USD. 3. Let's risk 200. Yeah, let's risk 200. If ever na mag-retrace tayo dito. Gonna target these lows, really. Bullish NQ. Kinda crazy na we're doing this. Nakapasok ako 𝘿𝙞𝙨𝙘𝙡. Nag-close na ako agad ng 20 points. Sayang, nag-continue down. Classic January price action. Is it really like this in January? Dump, dump, dump. Sellers active. Paano hindi ma-pressure sa trailing drawdown? Just trade the tawag dito, trade 1:1. Para hindi ka ma-pressure sa trailing drawdown or trail your stop aggressively. Secure your profits as it goes in your favor. That's the way to do it. What would this look like? Gusto ko yung YM shorts, but I don't know how you guys feel about this. So YM kasi didn't make sense to me that we pumped like this, like yesterday. I think we're gonna dump it again and make a new intraday low, target this level. But I might be wrong. Could be wrong. And short ako sa YM on my live. $200 na risk. If I take a loss, I'll be down 500 sa live account ko officially. Kapag hindi ako sigurado, I'm just gonna sit on my hands, right? Kung hindi ako 100% sure about the drawn liquidity, I try to sit on my hands, especially on my prop firm account, kasi mas kailangan ng precision, unlike with the live. Sa live account, I have a more forgiving stop loss. Malalayo yung SL, so I feel like it's fine. So I'm gonna risk $200 in here. If it completely reverse on me, then yeah, I'm fucked. Essentially, I don't know what I'm doing. Now I'm short dun sa if ito nag-V-shape then I'm fucked, chat. I'm fucked if this V-shape. Pag nag-start mag-push higher tong NQ, it might bring Dow with him. Took a long now on that break. Then gonna long on this. ES is a lot stronger sa upside, not gonna lie. I might just take a trade along on ES on my prop on this 5-minute inversion. If ever it's looking a lot stronger than NQ. Not looking good, my friend. Not looking good on ES is a lot stronger, chat. ES is showing strength for some reason. Kaso ayoko yung fact na nag-create siya ng equal low. Karoon tayo ng IFVG on ES. Kaso ayoko yung equal low niya. I just don't feel like this equal low is gonna hold. Ayoko yung fact na nag-equal low si ES. I'm gonna watch it here. Demand more. Maybe if we trade back down dito, let's say mag-trade tayo dito, FVG na to, and then we start to put a bullish structure, I might take a stab on this. Not willing to long here yet. Dow, my friend, what are you doing? Oh my god. Nag-V-shape din tong si Dow. Nag-V-shape din siya. Not looking good, bro. Din, nag-close din siya. Nag-close din yung Dow sa 5 minutes, which is not good. Might close this for break even if mabigyan ako ng chance. Ayoko yun. Ayoko yung fact na nag 5 minutes si Dow. I don't like that fact. I feel like ES has more upside potential than NQ right now. Maybe form tayo ng SMT down here. That could be a possibility, chat. Possible tayo mag-form ng SMT, NQ put another low, while ES don't. Weird lang kasi nag-create ng equal low, which is something I don't want to see. Kapag nagtitrade ako ng IFVG. Ayoko yung closure nito. It's making me wanna think like I should just close it now. Yeah, I should just close this. Ayoko yung closure niya. Ayoko yung closure ng YM on 5. We should really respect this level if we're gonna straight down. Plus, medyo nagiging bullish ako on ES, kaya that's a bit sus on the side of YM na maging bearish siya. But I like the idea earlier na YM is gonna trade all the way down here. Totoo lang, gusto ko yung idea na to. Pero ayoko yung fact na nag-close siya ng ganito sa 5 minutes. This is a crucial level for shorts. Itong 5 minutes FVG. Didn't like the fact na nag-close siya ng ganon. It's not the most ideal thing. Hopefully we get some news with Trump, you know? Where Trump has been very WAR lately. Gusto niya nang kunin yung Greenland, like, what the F? Kung meron tayong Trump news all of a sudden that could push this market lower, it's going to start making more sense kung bakit nagda-dump siya. Forget that Trump news. ES needs to go back 6911 or it will pull down to 6961. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see, chat. We'll see. I've been wrong many times this week, but somehow I managed to make it out alive on my prop, just not on my live account. Been doing well on the prop side. Live account is not doing well. This is what I'm saying. If we start to trade here on ES, so nag-start tayo mag-push higher, I'll be more inclined to take a trade sa long side ni ES. Ang ayoko dito kay ES is the fact that nag-create tayo ng equal low down here, but it's also like 1 hour level, so somehow it makes sense. But yeah, I want a long ES, but I demand more. Especially if nag-flip tayo dito. Let's say if I start to take a long here. Let's say nag-start ako mag-take na long, tapos bigla tayo nag-flip all the way up. Then this is gonna trade way higher. Possibly up here, and especially this level, yeah. 9:30 open. But yeah, this is gonna be a huge trade if this somehow pans out. 30 minutes. What does the 30 minutes looks like? Good eve. Holiday ba Monday means close ang market? Yeah, about that. On Monday, there will be no stream. Martin Luther King. I think it might just be half day. Hindi ko sure kung close siya, but in my experience, it's just not good trading it at all. In my experience, mas magandang wag nang i-trade ang holiday because it's just gonna drain you mentally. So why subject yourself to do that, right? So ako personally, hindi na ako magte-trade on Monday. And we'll take that as a day off. We'll take Monday as a day off, chat. Possible long, creating liquidity. Hanap na lang ng IFBG sa 1 minute. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, chat. We'll see. I haven't had a good read on this market, like higher time frame wise. This whole week, I've been struggling trading the higher time frame. So I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen really. I'm just gonna execute with the best of my ability when the opportunity arrive. Just like yesterday. That's why right now, tinitingnan ko yung higher time frame. I'm trying to look at higher time frame para lang ma-build ko yung bigger picture. But no matter what I do, hindi ko makita like where is it really gonna go in a higher time frame perspective. I have no idea. Possible for our here, for our level, for our FVG. Then di ko alam if magko-continue to all the way down here, but personally I like to see this buy side. But it's not good, to be honest, chat. It's not good since the start of the year, like in terms of the daily candle. This is not good. This is like a meme coin. This is like a meme coin, chat. I don't know how to trade this like higher time frame wise. If you're swing trading in this range, it's gonna be hard. All right, we touched the 4-hour gap. This bearish FBG hold really well. What does the YM do? What are you doing, YM? It's not looking good. How about on Tuesday? What happened on Tuesday? Tuesday market is gonna be open, as far as I know. Tuesday the market is open, chat. Damn, it's still going. What's happening? Na-reach na yung 2 standard deviation, hoping mag-bounce NQ. Yeah, maybe. Usually, diba, how did you plot your 2 standard deviation? Is it from this high to this high? Standard deviation. Or maybe here. Walam sa mo pinlat. Yeah, maybe here. Yeah, here. 2 standard deviation here. Tapos retracement. Last day, then market just went down before the weekend stats. I'm curious to see as well, like, is this the second week of January? Yeah, it is. It is the second week. Second week of January today. Lamig. Bro, thank you pala sa PM session. What did I do? Did I say something? I mean, wala man akong trade ng PM session yesterday. By the way, chat, if napansin nyo, medyo wala akong energy during stream. That is because I've been going to the gym every day the past couple of days, and I'm pretty tired kapag mag-stream na ako. I'm very tired. When I go sa stream, I really wanted to sleep already, but at the same time, I wanted to trade. I've been going to the gym daily this week, and it's been amazing. Masakit sa katawan. Maybe that is why I'm also patient. Pero the problem is, nakakapagod. Nakakapagod, chat. Maybe I'm building discipline through with the help of like going to the gym. Tumataas na, yeah. We got that. We got that push. We got that push, chat. Push, push, push. 15 minutes FVG, nice rejection on NQ. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not willing to take a bet yet. Look at the dollar, chat. Look at how it's moving, right? It's going higher along with the indices, which does not make any sense to me at the moment. Usually if the dollar is going up, you know, the indices should go down. It shouldn't be the same move unless driven siya ng fundamental. Wow, what a dump, bro. What a dump. This is crazy right now. Look at this, chat. 43 points candle. Holy cow. Holy cow, chat. Yun lang masasabi ko. That's insane. That's insane. Bakit? Kasi may premium ka sa futures. Binabayaran mo yung separate data. Kailangan mo ng premium sa TradingView, tapos yung data babayaran mo ng $7 a month. So, iba pa yung data ng futures sa premium ng TradingView. Pwede kang bumili ng prop firm account, you will get level 1 data, pero ang issue doon is pag na-blow mo yung account, mawawalan ka. Ako personally, mas maganda if meron kang futures sa TradingView, you have to pay like I think $7 a month. Yeah, $7 a month if I'm not mistaken. Then yeah, you can trade futures, or you can TA futures essentially. Crazy PA, chat. Crazy PA. Invert lang natin to, and we're just continuing to the downside. One of those days na mali na naman yung red ko on the direction side. Okay naman ang CFD. I wouldn't say so. Like, okay, pero mas better if you have accurate. Iba ang data ng daily time frame. Iba ang hourly closure ng CFD sa futures. Iba ang 4 hour. Sometimes magka-close ng mas 1 hour ang sa CFD, or magka-close ng 1 hour yung sa futures. So iba yung the way they report things. As far as the candlesticks go, mas maganda pa rin talaga in my opinion if you have futures. Para sa akin, in my opinion, like futures should be the data you are looking at, regardless if nagtitrade ka ng CFD. Kunyari, nasa CFD prop firm ka, I think you should still look at the futures data. Because it's the accurate. Yun yung CME eh. So, trading is already hard enough. Kung bibigyan mo pa siya ng external factors na hindi ka sigurado sa data na nakikita mo, then that's gonna be a lot harder as well. Kasi possible sa CFD baka hindi pa na-take out itong low, right? And you're expecting na ma-take out to, but it's already taken out. Sometimes ganun yung difference, and it's a huge difference. Solid. Every bearish PDRA right now is being respected. Ever since the market opened, I feel like it's been going down cleanly. Right? Bearish FVG. This one was dip discount, dump, fake structure shift, another leg lower, BPR, another leg lower. It's been crazy. It's a downside so far. Naglalag. Hirap i-read ng daily time frame, chat. Not gonna lie. This has been one of the hardest daily time frame read I ever had. Yeah, probably this is one of the hardest daily time frame I had to trade. Grabe yung wicks on these markets. Just not going well overall. Grabe. Don't know what to say about this. I'm gonna be patient and let the market present itself to me. Di ako magiging greedy or FOMO or anything like that. Solid low resistance, bam. Nantok na ako. Even gold dropped. Crazy. Like, what's happening? Wow. Holy shit. Yeah, the dollar is pushing right now. So a bullish dollar equals bearish gold. That's how it usually works, chat. Bullish dollar equals bearish gold. That's how it works. Solid no? Maganda mag-pass ng evals when it's like this. If you have some evals, like just sell and close your eyes. Oh wow, YM is now dumping, chat. Solid tong gold. Oh man, this is crazy. Going down for real. Going down for real. Solid. Solid lang yung dump. Still dumping. YM is now dumping so bad. Solid. Bagsak ang gold paldo. Yeah. Crazy gold. I feel like gold is going into daily FVG. Even silver is like down 6%. Very volatile right now. What is happening? Do we have some kind of news? Why is it that the dollar is pushing higher? Diba I said earlier, like, it didn't make sense to me na nagpupush itong NQ earlier, right? I said, why is this pushing? Usually, if nagpupush ang dollar, right? It pushes up here. Nagpupush din yung dollar and it's going with the NQ. Medyo suspicious ako dun. And all of a sudden, we had this dump in a BPR and then continuously to the downside. Even the gold is dumping after that bullish dollar. That is why I like to look at the dollar. Every time, di nyo lang nakikita, but I have a screen where I can see the dollar. Tinitingnan ko yung dollar movement even if I'm trading indices because usually a bullish dollar equivalent ng bearish indices, bearish gold, bearish silver, bearish other currencies. So even the crypto is dumping. Maybe there's some kind of news on the dollar. Yeah, as I look, nirefresh ko yung ano. Look at this. Right? Nirefresh ko yung financial juice. You can see Hassett was a good on TV and I may want to keep the neck director where he is. So I don't know what that means, but isa tong red folder event na for some reason it was a good on the dollar. You know, sabi ni Trump, as I said to you guys, we need some kind of Trump news for this to make sense. Yeah, it's been I don't know. It's been hard to like navigate in terms of higher time frame and makikita mo na lang yung move when you saw these fundamentals. Crazy move. Do 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 do. Solid si YM. Pag ito talaga, nag-dump all the way down dito. Gonna be crazy. Crazy one if you dump all the way down here on YM. Pag na-disrespect to and then we trade all the way down here, man, that's gonna be some good ass price action on YM. Ayoko lang yung fact na we did this on YM. This 5 minutes disrespect. Yan na nga, nag-take out na ng previous Asian session. Hindi pa siya. It's just about to do that. So not yet. This is where the previous Asian session, I believe. So we're not yet there. Solid dollar, shit. That's insane. Oh, I just got paid by Apex. $2,000 today. 4 minutes ago, I just got a notification. Pang de-deposit ko to sa live. I need to deposit on my live account para ma-meet ko yung margin requirement. Wow, it's still going, chat. Dollar is still pushing higher and this NQ is pushing lower. It's been like this. Like the story of this week is I don't know where it's gonna go. Right? Naalala nyo pa when I was trying to be bullish buyer in here? I was bullish here and it dumped. Then here I was bullish and hindi siya nag-continue. But I made some profit, of course. Just a few bucks. $1,000. Tapos dito sa run all the way up, it hasn't been like I wasn't able to capitalize kasi Asian yan tsaka London. And then Monday, what did the Monday do? I forgot what did I do on Monday, but I believe I was green. But here, I was shorting, right? Nag-short ako here. So we took out this high. I was trying to short here. Made some. But yeah, it hasn't been easy this week, chat. It hasn't been an easy PA. That is a hard time frame. It's gonna get better, chat. It's January. Just be patient. It's gonna get better eventually. Ice ba yung source ng Dixie mo? Anong ice ba yung source ng Dixie mo? Lods, pwede connect ang sa Apex sa TradingView. May sarili silang trading data. Bala ko kasi mag-open ng funded account. Yeah, you will receive a free data, level 1 data. Pag kinonect mo siya sa TradingView. So yes, you can do that for sure. Do 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 do. Nagsasalita si Trump kaya nagda-dump. Took a short for easy 1K. Let's go. Magkano ang pinakamura na funded? May suggest ka amount for funded account? Right now, mahal ang eval. So, I wouldn't recommend buying one. I believe 50% off lang ngayon. Kapag may 80% or 90%, doon ka bumili. Grabe. Continued sell-off. The dollar is still pushing to the upside. It can't stop, won't stop, chat. It does not stop, chat. It doesn't stop. Oh my god. Chad, saan mo tinitingnan ng price action ng dollar? Dixie. Dixie by TradingView. Ito yung gusto kong buy side on the dollar. Dollar is bullish in my opinion. I think we will go up here, Q1. Kahit yung seasonal tendency ni dollar, like if you look at the price action for the last 30 years, ang dollar is bullish. Right? Ito ang PA ni, ito ang price action ni dollar for the last 30 years. Yan, ito yung average. Ito last 52 years. January is a bullish month. Search nyo yan. Seasonal tendency. Kasama yan sa core content ni ICT. I'm not sure. I think it's 9. Core content number 9. Dito ako kumukuha ng bias on the month. Let's say mag-i-start yung month. Tapos di ko alam saan yung price action. Gagamitin ko to as a supporting evidence. So I've been bullish on the dollar. Technical wise, it's been bullish. And seasonal tendency wise, the last 52 years, it's been bullish on the dollar. Tapos bearish ang Q November to December niya. And that's what happened essentially. Like if you look at the price action, kumpara natin, no? Yan, ito daily time frame. Yan, ito ang November. Halfway ng November, it's gonna start to become bearish. And look what happened here. Right? Dump buong December. Tingnan mo. Ito ang November, like halfway ng November. Look, nag-push siya and then dump very hard until end of year. Ayan, Boogs. And ito ngayon, nandito tayo ngayon. In my opinion, we're here. Itong PA na to, this is this. And it's gonna go up until April. Maybe, yeah, that's what I think. Seasonal tendency. Isa lang yan sa mga secret sauce. Pag nag-ano ka ng bias. Seasonal tendency, chat. Seasonal tendency, search it. Wala pa akong trade, no, sa prop firm. Paano po kasi ulit yung 20 accounts, cancel yung monthly subscription after ng 30 days? Manta style, pag bumili ka ng eval, cancel the subscription, try your best to pass them within a week or within that month and i-convert mo sila sa PA. Kapag nagbayad ka ng PA account, it's lifetime. Wala kang babayaran monthly. Magbabayad ka ng lifetime fee sa PA, and once you pay the lifetime fee, you can trade whenever you want. Essentially, walang time limit on when you want to take a payout. Magkano PA? It depends on the account size. Depends on the account size. Oh, na-extend yung sale on Apex, so you can actually buy 80% off. Sino kasi nagtatanong kanina? Yeah, you can use my code 80% off right now. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. So 100k account, $39. Tapos $65 yung activation fee. Pero di ko recommend bumili ng 100k account. Just buy the 50k. It's easier to pass. It's easier to get a payout. Hindi worth it yung 100k in my opinion if you're just gonna have like $500 drawdown difference. Mas okay nang mag 50k kaysa sa 100k. It's not worth it. Tingnan mo dapat yung drawdown mo. Ang drawdown mo sa 100k is just 3k. Ang drawdown mo sa 50k is 2.5. Pero yung profit target mo on 100k is twice sa 50k. So, mas madali talaga ang 50k. Do 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 do. How much in payout have you secured this month? 4k so far. 4k so far. Actually, in 2k hindi pa approve. I'm still waiting, but I don't see any reason why it would get denied. So do 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 do. Nasa macro time na tayo, chat. We're in the macro hour. Alam ko may indicator ako ng macro. I feel like I should have it para... Yeah, I have it. So, nasa macro time na tayo. 1 hour closure. Do 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 do.
Ano tong level na to sa ES? Asian low. Got this Asian low on the ES. Someone said earlier, Asia low a previous session, so if you have a bearish bias today, GG, you killed it. Maybe this was the entry, oh. That's all the way down here. Hindi ko lang gusto tong short na to earlier because we already tap into 4-hour gap. Nag-reject tayo sa 4-hour gap and I feel like that's a bit sus. To short still in here. So far, we got the inversion. Inversion again. Inversion again. Kumusta naman feeling, Lods, na maraming pera? Hindi ko alam kung madami yon. Hindi ko alam kung madami akong pera if you would consider me like have many money, but it's nice. The only nice thing about having money is when you go out, you don't think about the food that you eat, you know? Yung tipong kakain kayo sa labas, you don't hesitate to order extra sides, you know, extra dessert, extra drinks. And then, yeah, essentially, pagkain kayo, I think that's the most nice things, I guess, about having money. Tapos, hindi mo iniisip yung gagastusin nyo bukas. But yeah, as far as like things that are expensive, as far as that is concerned, wala akong anything very expensive right now. And I don't have a house. I don't own a house. Although nagkaroon na ako ng kotse, but it's just a car na mura lang. Nasisilaw na ako, chat. Ang sakit sa mata. I feel like ES is more is better trade, I would say, than NQ if it is gonna go to the upside. I feel like ES has more potential. We got the inversion sa 5. Nag-top tayo dito. Yeah, if I'm gonna take a long, I think I would take a long on ES. It's a better pair in my opinion, has more upside potential than the NQ. Just need to see it drop one more time. What does this look like? ES. Yeah, gusto ko to something like this. I want to see it like retrace a bit lower. Pero It's been going up already, but I don't know. I like ES longs than NQ. Lods, yung drawdown ba na sinasabi mo is pag na-hit SL mo sa trade? I think you should watch my video first about how futures prop firm work. Kasi hindi mo siya magigets even if sabihin ko siya ngayon sa'yo dito. But essentially, drawdown is yun yung max allowed to lose mo sa account. 2.5. Meron kang 50k account, 2.5 lang ang pwede mong matalo. May 100k account, 3k lang ang pwede mong matalo. And it's trailing. Iba ang trailing drawdown. And it's something that you should watch my video sa futures account playlist ko. It's been going up. Wow. Going up, away, away. Baka asset to sa BIR. What do you mean? Buti wala ka pang grado sa mata. Actually, I've been thinking, like, kanina nag-drive ako. I drove my car earlier. Kaya late ako sa stream. Like, feeling ko bibili ako ng salamin. Kasi nahihirapan ako mag-drive. Lalo na pag yung mga flash ng mga kotse. Nahihirapan ako mag-drive. Maybe kailangan ko na. Hindi pa kasi ako nagpa-check. That was a solid 5 minutes IFBG, not gonna lie, chat. Should have taken that trade. Not feeling well today. Just could not read this market at all. Should have taken here, like hindsight. You know, nung nag-retrace tayo dito sa 5 minutes FBG on NQ inside 1 minute. Like this retracement down here. Tapos meron siyang 1 minute for value gap. But I don't know. Let's see. Astigmatism. Yeah, maybe that's what it's called. What's it's called? Mas gusto ko ang ES longs, chat. I like ES longs. ES longs. Yeah, in hindsight, yeah, I should have taken the ES. Not feeling well, damn. So 4 hour, is it 4 hour? Yeah, we had this 1 hour FBG on ES, right? 1 hour FBG, and then actually 4 hour. We got this 4 hour FBG, bullish FBG, then 5 nag-invert tayo, right? We inverted this gap while making displacement, shift in structure up here. Tapos meron tayong break OB. Daming confluence nito. Like in hindsight, I should have like taken a long here, put my stop like 5 points, essentially target this high, then this high. Yeah, in hindsight, that ganun yung ginawa ko. Don't know what I'm doing. Should have paid more attention. 0-1 ako so far. 0-1. Talo ako sa live. On my live accounts. %80 off is extended, by the way. Sa Monday, chat, 1 o'clock magsasara ang market. 1 o'clock. Not gonna be trading that day. Antok na ako. YM after dito sa 4 hour, it start to move back up. Honestly, I just couldn't read this market, chat. Like, seriously. I'd like to think now we're gonna push up here, but it's not doing that. Friday na ngayon. I shouldn't be expecting na abot pa tayo all the way up, but this market has been crazy. It's just consolidating both sides ng 4 hour ranges. It looks like it's gonna continue lower, but pag titingin mo sa lower time frame, right, this looks very bearish, but if you look at the 4 hour, it's just consolidating between these two range. That's why I personally think it's hard to trade because of that reason. Freaking crazy. We're taking the high on ES. I don't know anymore, chat. How did you guys do today? Are you green? Are you red? How did you perform today? I'm very curious. How did you guys do? Damn. ESO. This is, in my opinion, this is an A plus reversal. Marami siyang confluence. It has 4 confluence on ES at least. Meron tayong displacement sa 1. We got 5 minutes IFVG. We got 4 hour key level. This is a good entry in my opinion. To stop below this level and then target this high. In my opinion, this is a good A plus setup. Just wasn't able to recognize it. Not, in my opinion, like I'm not really doing well. But in hindsight, this is a good setup. Breaker, 4 hour, 5 minutes, everything aligns in here. I've been saying like I like to see ES longs. It's been good for longs. ES has been printing on longs. YM. It's been good. Like ES, so good, chat. ES is so good. Do 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 do. Wow, grabe. Grabe ka na, ES. It's gonna trade sa 15-minute, possibly sa 9:30 a.m. high. Fully reverse. Solid. Solid ES. Super clean ng ES. Yeah, I agree. 130 live account, but options. Nice. What matters is you are green, my friend. Green is green. A plus ES. I agree. A plus, super good setup on ES. It's been the stronger leader pair onto the upside. Dollar is now dumping again. Dollar is dumping again, chat. What a crazy dollar, my friend. Love on trade. Be patient, mental preservation, mental capital, and everything preservation. Oh. Ganito rin ako nadadali eh. Kapag bearish ako sa isang asset, tas bullish ako sa isang asset. Kapag hindi sila pareho ng directional bias, ganun ako nadadali. Right now, gusto kong bearishness kay NQ. Based dito sa 15 minutes level, right? Gusto ko si NQ mag-trade siya lower. Pero si ES gusto ko siya mag-trade higher. Pag ganito yung situation, na ano ako na, hindi ko alam, na-freeze ako. Sometimes I end up forcing trade and yeah, getting wrecked essentially. Oh, gusto ko pa rin yung bearishness nitong si NQ, but ES, I want to see it push higher. It's been the story of my life, chat. Story of my life. Pucha. Legit kaya to? Legit kaya to? Chat, is this legit? Meron ng iPhone 18 lineup. iPhone 18 lineup. Tapos iPhone Fold. Damn, iPhone Fold? That seems tempting. iPhone Fold, huh? I want a long ES. Ano siyang ilong? We could be difficult. Up to the good time, take you to paradise. Let's say if I take along on this bullish OBSA 5, say I would do this, right? Stop go is gonna be a 5 points. 1:2, that's not bad. Green here on NQ as well. Took a short at 9:30. That SMT OB confluence. Nice, nice, nice. YouTubero. That's nice. I'm red on my live right now. No trades on my prop. No trades on my prop, but I'm working on it, chat. I'm working on it. Hindi ko pa naubos yung protein powder ko. We're going. Super clean ni ES. Super clean. Love it. Love to see it on ES. We could be difficult. Don't a good time. You take it to paradise. We could be typical. Solid. This is the V shape that I wanted to trade, but just could not capitalize on it, chat. I know I said I'm not going to FOMO, but I feel like it's starting to kick in. FOMO is starting to creep in, chat. I've done the good. Salamat, Lods. Nakapasok ako sa first 5-minute FBG kay ES. 697,550, 10 points running now. Nice. Why are you thanking me? Is it I did not take that trade. Hindi ko tinake yung trade na yon. Like, is it because you're learning something? Kasi as far as I know, I did not give that trade idea. Not doing well, like, honestly. I think I'm pretty drained out this week. Drained ako dito sa PA na to. Not expecting much, but it ended up like giving that a good A+ setup on ES. Which, yeah, it's very draining, not gonna lie. I am drained, chat. Drain ako dito sa PA na to. Ano short NQ dito? Maybe not the best idea, but I want to short it. Okay, maghihintay ako next 15 minutes candle. NQ is sitting at 15 minutes FVG. ES is sitting at 15 minutes bearish FVG. It's been downtrend intraday, right? I want to short this. I know nagbabounce tayo sa 4-hour, but I don't know. Usually, let's see. Where is the 50%? Oh, we haven't hit the 50% yet, so we might hit this 50%. Ihi muna ako dyan. Oh, man. Na-invert na rin natin tong 15. Grabe. Grabe ka na. Both side, wala akong nahuli. Like, what the fuck am I doing, chat? What am I doing? Either side, short and longs, I was not able to capitalize. That's sad. What am I doing here? It's just sometimes, the market does not make any sense and you have to sit out and wait it to become clear for you. Today is not one of those days for me. It's pretty annoying, but nothing I can do. Do, baby. Pretty annoying. Oh no, why yung V-shape? What the fuck? This 100-point moves, kahit yung mga basic na 10 points, wala akong nakuha. ES has been amazing. ES is my biggest regret so far. I feel like I could have, I don't know, was not able to see this. I've been saying na ES is more stronger today, pero di ako nag-execute on it. Never let go. I'm waiting for it to make sense to me. Solid no, hirap. Not even the previous day high, not even the previous day low. It's just literally right now consolidating between these two highs. Even sa 4 hour, we drop down into 4 hour, we wick down all the way down. Don't know, it's just so freaking hard. So freaking hard, this PA. Look at gold. Yung dump niya nag V-shape din. What a crazy. What a crazy PA. Ella ko right now sa live. No trades on prop. Still waiting. Still waiting for op. Mas naglilin ako sa short side at the moment. hirap talaga ng NQ lalo na pag may speech si Trump. Nagsasalita ba siya? Hindi ko alam kung nagsasalita siya eh. Where is he speaking at? Ba't di ko makita yung red folder? Just trying to preserve capital right now. Not trying to go crazy. I want to attack when it makes sense to me. When it makes sense the most. Nothing is worse ng Friday and you end up losing and then you tilt, you know? That's not the best way to end the Friday. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Porsche Macan 2025. Magkano to? 6.9M. Porsche. The fuck? Porsche. Ito mura ng mga Porsche. Porsche. No forcing trades, preserving capital. Yeah. Usually nga kapag 3-day. Actually, maganda yung PA today. Honestly, it's good. It's moving a lot. It's just that I was not able to recognize a single bias na super confident ako. But overall, I think the market is moving good today. It's me, myself, who is not able to make an objective decision. Yun yung issue, yung sarili ko. Hindi ako come up ng objectivity, hindi ako decide ng may clear objectivity. Hindi clear yung mind ko today. Renba stars again. At least you're staying sa strategy mo, which is good. Kahit ma-FOMO ka kung di ka check lahat ng criteria mo, no trade pa din. Yeah, I might just as well end the day here. You know, wala talaga ako makita, baka I'm just gonna take it like a man, you know. What I'm concerned about is yung live account ko. I'm pretty disappointed na break even all after 5 months. I might actually be red officially sa live account ko. Yeah, I think I'm officially red after today. Which sucks. I'm officially red on my live. Magde-deposit ako ng 2K, 1K because I want a balance of 50K. Kukuha ko sa mga payout ko. I'll transfer them over sa live. Mahina na ako magsalita chat kasi tulog na yung mga tao dito. It's already like 1 o'clock. I don't know why I'm still here, to be honest. I don't know why I'm still streaming. 1 a.m. Do 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 do. Rumba start again. Do 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 do. Out of nowhere question lang, sir. Napapansin mo ba yung trader ngayon na trades buy SAI? No. Hindi ko siya nakikita. Such a clean day considering it's OPEX day. What do you mean OPEX day? Alam ko ang OPEX is mag-change na ng contract, right? Is it this week? I believe second week pa lang this week. Chat, sa mga nagsi-CFD sa inyo, ano yung ginagamit nyo na market data para sa forex.com. Market data. Mga CFD trader, paano niya tinitingnan si Nasdaq? Ito pa, Nasdaq. Hindi. Thank you. Chat, anong ginagamit nyo? Tinatanong nung kaibigan ko. Ano daw maganda gamitin na CFD na data sa US 100? US. Option expire today. Okay. Every third Friday of the month. I thought second week. Din. Yeah, I believe every third Friday. Is it third Friday of this month? Oh yeah, it is third Friday. Pero hindi pa rollover week. Alam ko, when is the rollover week? March pa yun next, I believe. For me, XNES, they have MetaTrader server data center kaya very low ang latency. Okay, anong pangalan ng XNES? Na trading view. Anong pangalan ng US 100 sa XNES? Indices. Tinatanong ng kaibigan ko. Is it NDX? Ito na lang. US Tech. IC Market. Magto-12 na chat. $12 a.m. Eastern Time, guys. 12 a.m. Eastern Time. It's just grinding higher like crazy. It's grinding like crazy, chat. Come here, Bebel. Yung aso ko. Ano chat, papanoorin niyo ba ako mag-stream hanggang closing bell? Hanggang closing bell, chat? Are you gonna watch me stream? Pa-sounds tayo. Where is my headset? headset, my headset, my headset. Tulog na. Yeah, chat, if you're gonna sleep, that's fine. Wala akong trade sa prop. Red ako sa live. Red ako sa live pero wala akong trade sa prop account. ...2022 mentorship. If you are going to learn ICT today, 2022 mentorship. $300 range so far. Trade tayo dito sa 15 minutes of BG. Wow, we're dumping. We're dumping like crazy right now. Solid. Invert natin tong 15 minutes. Give it a shot here. Really, hindi tayo mag-trade above this level. Pangit yung feel ko. Honestly, ang pangit ng feel ko doon. It was a weird feel on my end. Pangit din yung rejection sa 5. Not the most ideal kasi hindi tayo mag-trade dito eh. Trade tayo dito sa 5 and then we break even ako. Ayoko yung trade na yun. It's making me feel sus. Hindi niya pala nakikita. Medyo FOMO yung entry ko na yan. Medyo FOMO yung entry ko. Should have at least entered up here. I want shorts. Pangit ng entry ko na yan. Grabe. Alam na alam mong pangit yung entry kasi binreak even ko na too early. yeah, chat, I'm gonna end it here. Break even ako on no trades, or yeah, break even on my prop account. Just $300 loss on my live. I'm gonna end it here, chat. It's already time. It's already 1 a.m. down on $300 on my live again, unfortunately. On my prop, just could not really find anything really I like na super confident ako to hold, so I'm just call it a day here, chat. Thank you for staying with me this week. I'll see you guys again on Tuesday. Okay, oras na, low energy, low vibe, so see you on Tuesday, guys. Good luck if you plan to trade today, but yeah, still W wick for me. Not good as far as the live account goes, but prop account are doing really well this week. Did well on my prop. I'm up 1k on prop, last week 2k, so overall good week on prop accounts, just not on my live. Ito yung mga live account ko. Here it is, down 1k, down 132. So yeah, chat, I'll see you again on Tuesday. Peace out, everybody. Ingat kayo. Bye-bye. Have a great week.